Hey guys, it's Tom with Symbol Surfing. Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about Splunk. They're on the Nasdaq Splk. All right, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this YouTube channel does not contain any kind of financial advice. All right, so here it is. Here's the 1-year chart, and I found this symbol using the earnings calendar. They just reported earnings right here. It was August 25th, right here. So these white lines are the earnings dates. So I'm going to just draw these in for you so you can see them a little bit clearer. And all right, so what we're looking at is the 1-year chart, and it's down 21% over the last 12 months. And I want to just point out a couple of things here. So right here, this was the 52-week high and actually the all-time high. And then it sold off a little bit into this earnings. And then there was a huge sell-off after the earnings, and it rebounded a little bit, went sideways, then dropped again pre-earnings into this earnings date, went sideways, rallied up again, then dropped again into this earnings. And this earnings seemed to be really important because after this earnings, with this huge, drop in price from like 220 all the way down to like 120 over the course of, whatever this has been, like 6 or 7 or 8 months, whatever it is. At this point, there was like a reversal and the stock price started to rally higher. And so, basically it went from like a little over 120, it broke 140, and now we're up at 158.44. That's where it closed on Friday. There was another earnings date, like I said, just recently, and the stock is actually higher post earnings. So I really like that. So again, this was the 52-week high up here. Down here was the 52-week low, and the stock has already moved quite a bit off this 52-week low. And another thing I would like to point out is there's potentially a golden cross forming. Potential. We'll have to wait and see. But that's a really bullish, chart pattern. So I wanted just to point that out. So let's jump over to the 5-year chart next. I want to draw some trend lines and stuff. But what I also want to just show you guys is there's been several golden crosses on this 5-year chart. And I'm just going to kind of highlight them here. So that's when the short-term moving average crosses up through the longer-term moving average. So right here, from this golden cross, the price had a nice run there. From this golden cross, it didn't really do that much. It did have a small run here and then went sideways. On this golden cross, it moved higher. On the most recent golden cross, it really went, had a big move there. So I think potentially if this is a golden cross here, this stock definitely could move higher just like it has previous 4 times over the 5-year chart. And again, the 5-year chart's up 160%, which is really good. Also, I want to show a couple other things here on the 5-year chart. So basically there are some trend lines basically at the $100 price level and the 120, 140, and then the 160. So I like drawing these trend lines, just kind of helps me see the price movement a little bit clearer. So I think right now the price is approaching this 160. So it would be great if it could break out above that 160. That would be another bullish indicator for me to get in on this stock right here. Also, I want to just show some other trend lines. So these are all horizontal trend lines. I'm going to draw a trend line here from like $40 to 160, and then another one from 80 to 200. So this is basically showing or highlighting the uptrend the stock's been on over the 5 years. So it looks poised right here where if this reversal that we talked about on the 1-year chart off that earnings and 52-week low right here, and it's already rallied quite a bit, it looks like it could continue to rally up to this $200 level, maybe even higher as it gets closer and closer to the all-time high. So that could be pretty interesting. On the downside, I mean, there's a lot of support and resistance there at that like 140 level. So it could, reasonably pull back to 140 and maybe bounce off of that. So anyways, guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to kind of, talk about Splunk. And if you like this video, please click the thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Click subscribe for straightforward chart analysis, and ring the bell so you get access to our latest videos. Thanks again for watching.